So friends, we are going to learn today about giving them options. So whatever the customer might be you are pitching in, they will always give them the options. Options means giving them the more clarity about the product. For example, if you are selling some services, you add something which will give them more value to the product, and you're providing an option of paying them in every quarterly once, or giving them an option of paying them yearly. If you pay yearly, you will get it for 80%. And you're providing 20% off. And if you are selling anything, whatever the product might be, you might have been designed extremely a good product, but the customer will look for the options. What are the more options? Somebody cannot afford anything at a time. If you just give them a monthly package, they can afford to buy. If you give them an option of doing it, paying by EMI every month, he may take up that option. When the more options you give to that similar product, whatever you might be selling them, you will see a lot of drastic change in your sales, because everyone have their own boundaries and they cannot come out of that boundaries, because we all are living in small world which is having a financial boundaries. When you go to the bigger level companies also, they'll ask for an options. What are the options we have? What are the options you can give? What are the more, what you can do more? What you can do more means at the price, only the price. Can you provide discount? No, it's not possible. So, okay, you cannot less down the value of the product which you can. You cannot. It is not in your hands. Because whoever designed the product, whatever the costing of the price, everything would be prefixed. You cannot do anything at that point, but you can give the same product with the options. It costs 12 lakhs, which you can pay every month, 1 lakh. 12 months package. That's it. Your problem is cleared. They are getting the services, or they are getting that particular product. Divide them, provide them the options whatever you have, so that you will see a clear picture. A clear picture. The more options they have, they'll go with the more service, the more service, the more sales, the more sales, the more production, the more production, the more money, your life is happy. So give them the options. Give them more and more options. Create more and more options. Sit with your whole team of sales and go to your management with an approach. This is what the customers are looking for. This is what the feedbacks we are getting from the customers. So we have to create options. If not, it is becoming very tough to sell this valuable product. Everybody required the product wise everything is good, the price they are unable to afford it. Because we reach to the customers, we hear to the customers, we know their pain, what they are going through, and we understand because we are in the market, we are communicating with the customers, and the management would be sitting and just looking for the input. We can only give the output when we have more options. Give them the options. You ask that options clearly, this way we can do more. Gold, silver, browns formulas doesn't work, my dear friends. According to my analysis, those are olden days, and we cannot bluff the customers in that way. Do it clearly, be frank and fair, and give them the options. The more options, the more sales, the more closures. That's it. You got the solution. So giving them the options is very, very important, and it's a key point to getting more sales. And you start implementing this, you will see a drastic change in your sales, my dear friends. I hope you are learning it. Keep learning. Let me catch you with the next topic. Thank you very much.